Welcome, beautiful souls. The energy of the Lionsgate Portal is upon us. It's reaching out to us and showing us that we have the strength and the courage inside of us. It's a never-ending flame that burns brightly, and it is ignited in this time. It's a wonderful and powerful time in the universe to manifest your dreams, to make your visions so clear, crystal clear, to show us in pictures and photographs, in creations, in notebooks, in dreams, visualizing, manifesting. An open book, the energy of law of attraction. It's like a superhighway at this time. Letting go of the past. Forgiving yourself for mistakes. And allowing yourself to be free. And seeing yourself as whole. A visionary of light. And your heart is at the center of the universe. It draws on the energy of the center of the earth. A lion is roaring inside of you. You feel the sparks of energy. A touchstone of light. Inspiration firing up inside your inner engine, revving up your dreams. A vision quest of dreams. Clear out the old and in with the new. It's time to start again. To start fresh, a new opening, a new way of being. Navigating this new course with freedom and fun and play, and your heart's desire fueling the way. Without fear. By the center of August, this energy will be so powerful. It will take you to the moon and back. So charge yourself up with this energy. Inspire yourself, make notes, write it up, dream in those in-between times during the day. Show up for your dreams. Make them real. Make them grounded. Believe in yourself. A fire of confidence, of wealth, of opportunity, of prosperity. For you are a chosen one, here to share the light. An extraordinary human. Make way for your future. There isn't any room for your past. The light will guide your way. Feel the freedom codes. Feel the slipstream of the universe taking you with it on a journey of dreams, a journey of visions, flying high and reaching your true destination in life. Know that you are worth this, and use your tools, your God-given tools, the genius ideas that you have out of nowhere. Write them down. Allow your dreams to breathe and to be vast and open and free, taking their own course. Open up to a cloudless sky and see it all here, manifesting what is real, what's in your heart, the jewels that lie within you. The sword within the stone. And we will lift you up and take you there on this vision quest. Stay open to this. Keep your vibration high. And we will take you to places you never even imagined. It's coming. It's real. And it's here for you. Keep shining, beautiful soul. Take care, and I hope to see you here very, very soon. Bye for now.